In the February episode of Hometown Health, we mentioned how in a recent Alzheimer study, researchers used MRI scans to focus on the thickness of the edges of the brain, known as the cortex, as a way to potentially predict Alzheimer's. Dr. Bob Kittyle, NeuroRadiologist at the Center for Medical Imaging, explains how important medical imaging is to the diagnosis and treatment of many different diseases.
Imaging kind of lays the foundation down for the diagnosis of many diseases nowadays. There are many diseases that are first picked up by imaging. And so by having good quality equipment, it helps facilitate the diagnosis of diseases at an earlier time. Unfortunately, good imaging is somewhat multifactorial. It takes very good equipment, it takes good technicians, it takes a cooperative patient, and it takes good physicians in order to make sure that good images result and an early diagnosis is made. Having good qualified radiologists on site is integral to getting good imaging because first of all, you need physicians that are certified in multimodalities to better evaluate the imaging that's coming off of the machine, and it allows us to discuss with the technicians what needs to be done in order to improve the imaging and to maximize the imaging that we receive from our equipment. And so if we get great equipment, then we work with the technicians to make sure we get great images out of there, which facilitates the end result of getting an early diagnosis and directing patient care and facilitating any sort of intervention that may be required, such as surgery or interventional radiology. It's a wonderful asset for Lake County to have a one-stop service for just about everything. And Waterman Hospital has worked very hard to make sure that we have the resources necessary to not only do specialized imaging, but also to improve diagnosis, tissue diagnosis, biopsies, using that equipment so that we can treat the patient here on site as quickly as possible, rather than having to jump from resource to resource, to town. And you can maintain the same doctor coverage, which minimizes chances of things being overlooked.
For more information on the American College of Radiology certified radiologists and imaging technologies at the Center for Medical Imaging, please click the comprehensive screening story link on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.